Coronasomnia: how to get a good night's sleep. It starts in the morning. COVID has seen a 40% increase in people with insomnia, according to one sleep clinic. With the stress, grief, and anxiety of COVID-19 and its impact on daily life, people are reporting more sleep problems than ever before. With the stress, grief, and anxiety of COVID-19 and its impact on daily life, people are reporting more sleep problems than ever before. Around 4 in 10 people have reported trouble sleeping during the pandemic, brought on by the stress of living in a global pandemic. Sleep experts have labeled these sleep problems coronasomnia. Dr. Abhinav Singh, board-certified sleep medicine and internal medicine medical director of the Indiana Sleep Center, calls coronasomnia one of several pandemics, which he explains as an epidemic caused by, made worse by, and runs in tandem with the pandemic. Another example of a pandemic is the increase in mental health problems, such as anxiety and depression. What is coronasomnia? Coronasomnia is characterized by an increase in sleep problems during the pandemic, as well as symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress. While insomnia is often linked to anxiety and depression, coronasomnia differs from traditional insomnia because it's related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Summarized stressors are financial stress, emotional stress, distance from others, unpredictability, professional concern. Symptoms of coronasomnia. Symptoms of coronasomnia include insomnia symptoms such as difficulty falling and staying asleep, increased stress levels, increased symptoms of anxiety and depression, such as intrusive thoughts, delayed sleep schedules, symptoms of sleep deprivation, such as increased daytime sleepiness, impaired concentration and focus, and poor mood. Who's at risk for coronasomnia? Patients with COVID-19, frontline workers, unpaid caregivers, essential workers, women, young adults, healthcare workers, students. What causes coronasomnia? The COVID-19 pandemic has upended nearly every aspect of our daily lives. Parents and children adjusted to remote schooling while millions of workers transitioned to remote work, were furloughed, or lost their jobs entirely. People have lost loved ones and experienced sickness. Increased stress. Stress increases your levels of cortisol, a hormone that operates inversely to melatonin, the sleep hormone. The pandemic has introduced many stresses to our lives, but being stuck at home is a stressor all its own. This stress increases if you're sharing your home with a limited number of people. Loss of daily routines due to social distancing guidelines. Many normal parts of life, from hobbies to social events, disappeared overnight. Increased media consumption in an effort to keep up with the latest information on COVID-19. People have significantly increased their media consumption during the pandemic and now rely on a larger range of news sources. You feel more alert and stressed out, instead of relaxed and ready for sleep. How to manage coronasomnia? Establish daily routines. Routines provide our brains with cues for when to eat, work, feel alert, and feel tired. Relieve your stress. Stress makes sleep difficult, pandemic or not. Regular exercise, journaling, and taking a break from the news may help relieve stress and improve your sleep. Clear your mind at night. Our minds are being overloaded with stressful information during the pandemic. It's easy to get caught up and overwhelmed by it all. Give yourself a break from the news. Do what you can to prevent new stressful information entering your mind in the evening hours. Do yoga every day. Daily yoga contributes to more restful sleep. Exercise is also a great reliever of stress and anxiety. Our Yoga Nidra classes center students on both their mind and breath. driving them to create a sense of inner peace while fully living within their bodies. We tailor our array of classes to suit your needs. We conduct fitness routines and spiritual workshops. Let the power of yoga release your body stress and calm down your mind. Do you really want to postpone your happiness? Choose I want happiness now. I don't delay happiness. Choose yoga at Yoga International Wellness Center now.
Yoga International Wellness Center offer various yoga sessions.
To join, call and book timings.